Hey guys, I'm replacing the trunk latch on a 2012 Ford Escape. This is the trunk latch here, and it's electronically triggered with this little motor here. There's just a little electric motor in here that pulls up on the latch. You can manually activate it if you reach in there and you pull up on this little plunger here. You can kind of get your finger in there. Let's see if I can get you a good view. See that little lever there with my finger on it? You can pull up on that and that will open the trunk. So if your trunk is stuck closed like mine was, all you've got to do is hopefully your back glass opens, and what you do is you lift up your back glass, and then you'll be able to access the plastic cover that's here, which is here, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull up here and you're gonna pop this up and over this hump for the window latch. Okay, once you pop it up and over, then you can push the whole thing towards the front of the truck, and these clips will release. It sounds loud, I promise you nothing will break. Okay, once you have that out, it's still going to be held in the bottom by the 4 bolts at the top that are closed inside the trunk, so obviously you can't access them, right? But once you get that pushed out, you should be able to reach your hand down in behind and feel for that little lever release to get the trunk open. Once you do that, you've got 2 plugs here. You've got the power for the motor there. Power for the motor there. That's the little activation motor that's inside this case. And then you've got the power for the switch here. That's the button on the outside that actuates that motor to release the latch. Okay? So you're going to unplug both of those. They've just got the little release clips there that you push in with your finger. So no special tools there. And you can see the release clip there. Okay? So take both of those out, and then you've just got 3 bolts here to remove the latch assembly. To remove those, you're going to need a T27 socket. So this is a torque bit. They call it torque bit. It's kind of a star configuration. It's a T27 that you need. If you don't have this, you can borrow these kits from most auto parts stores. Okay, just make sure you have a T27. If you have the wrong size, you're going to round it off, and then you're going to have more problems. Okay. I got the replacement mechanism on eBay for $24 plus shipping. I think it was $28 altogether. So really good deal. I don't know if it's new or remanufactured. At that price, I'm suspecting remanufactured. But I'll let you know once I install it how good it is. But I mean, even if they did remanufacture it, they did a really good job, because they've even got lubrication on here just like they did from the factory. And everything looks exactly like the factory one. So I'm going to install this, and then I'll come back to you and show you the final product. Oh, so I forgot to tell you, once you get the trunk manually opened using that lever and get it popped up, of course, remove the 4 screws at the bottom. I'm sorry, the 4 bolts. I believe those are 10 millimeter, and then that whole cover will come off. Okay, and then just set it aside. And you've got the 3 bolts here for the latch mechanism with your torque bit. Once you've got your 3rd bolt out up here, you want to hold the latch mechanism with your other hand when you take that 3rd one out, because this will literally just fall out on your head. So just pull it out. There it is. And we're going to pop the new one right in its place. You can see these are identical except for the factory blue inspection mark there. All right, so I've got my 3 bolts back in. I've got my 2 connectors plugged back in. And now, when I pull this down, there's my lever, there's my button right there. I'm gonna hit that. You can see it opens right up. And then I'm gonna manually close it with my thumb. That would be it clicking closed. And then again, works perfectly. The motor sounds real strong, the little electric motor in there. And that's how I knew the old one was bad, by the way. I could hear the noise of it really struggling. It kind of sounds like a little whirring noise, and it's really struggling to open. So it is a 2012, so it's 8 years old. From what I've seen online, it's kind of a high failure item. But shoot, after 8 years, if all I've got to do is replace a $24 part on the back latch, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna put this panel back on, and then I'm done, and my wife is very happy. One final note, I lied to you about the 4 bolts that hold the trunk case cover on. It's actually 4 screws. So you can see I've got that just popped in. I'm gonna put the 4 screws in and we are good to go.